Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Datsuns. First off, I want to say Happy New Year's to everyone and to all my followers and subscribers. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to have you guys be a part of this channel and seeing it grow. 2023 was an amazing year, was a start of all this that I've been doing. And amazingly, I am speechless with the amount of people that have actually subscribed and been following. And thank you so much. It feels great to grow with you guys. So let's go ahead and make 2024 even better. I'm going to bring more content in. I'm going to do a lot more work and try to get more cars involved. You know, everything's a money situation and a time situation, but I'll try to make it happen. But so today we're here because I want to go over the whole actual situation that I had with the car, how it worked, how it got fixed, and how it's running. So stay tuned in. Here we go. Alright, so let's get into what we were having and the issues and how I resolved these problems. Alright, so issue one was plugs kept falling out, and they were getting, every single one of them was getting carbon buildup, real nasty sludge looking stuff. Smelled like fuel, oil, everything. So what I did was, to follow up what I did in the last video, I obviously took out the plugs, I cleaned them, I re-gapped to 0.042 or 0.043, one of those two. It don't matter because it's within the range of 0.44, but I did 0.42. Alright, anyway, so I did that, put everything back together. Then, just to play around, I got the distributor cap, I sanded down some of the little points or whatever, and then the little butterfly inside as well, but I don't think that has to do with anything. Well, the real deal was the fuel pressure regulator. Let me go over there. So what happened was, before on this car, I was running the harness a little loosened up, and you know, I did the N42 intake swap a long time ago, and I just kind of lost interest into the whole thing and whatever. I just let it sit there and kept driving the car. Throughout the time, the harness became melted. Wires took a shit, you know, because obviously it's non-webbed, so all that heat comes up, and the wire was right there, was very close. It was like sitting right in between there. Now it's actually wrapped up under the intake onto this side here. See that? So it's all heat wrapped real good, real strong. So that issue is long gone. But what happens is, to compensate for the issues that we were having because of the melted harness and multiple wires being touching each other and all that, it seemed that more fuel was helping out the situation before, so it ran like crap. When I had more fuel, it ran better. Really weird. Don't even ask me. If you have anything you want to comment below, go ahead. Remember, this is a friendly channel. We're all here to help each other. Sometimes I may sound like a crazy guy just talking shit out of my mouth, but I do the best I can and I make it happen. So that's all that matters in the end, right? So anyways, now that everything is good to go and I redid everything, the harness completely and all that, I lower the pressure down to 38 psi on the fuel pressure regulator. Obviously, this is one of those freaking eBay piece of shits. I'm actually going to change to an automotive, aeromotive, or something better eventually. But I did lower the psi after I did everything else, cleaning the plugs and cleaning the distributor cap, whatever. I did add an additive to the fuel tank as well. I did one of those Chevron, a Techron, whatever, fuel stabilizer, injector cleaner as well. So I don't know, maybe that kicked in too. But I don't know what I did. But this thing is running amazing. It's starting amazing. It's running amazing. It's staying on idle amazing. The car is completely different. And I am beyond stoked and happy. And then I can't even say how happy I am with the results, especially being that 2024 just kicked in and I got this thing running good again. So I'll be doing some events. January 20th, I'm doing a Cars and Coffee here in Southwest Florida. It's going to be a collaboration with Southwest Florida Z Clubs, Import Classics, my page, and Infinismo. We're all here from Southwest Florida. So if you guys are watching this video and you want to join for this Cars and Coffee, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be all Nissan product. Infiniti, Nissan, Datsun. I will actually invite as well some JDM classics, because the classics, you know, they got to be with the classics. So we'll have those coming through too. Stay tuned in. My Instagram, JaviS130, Javi_S130 right there, for more information on that Cars and Coffee coming up. Guys, C-Con is going to be fire. Tampa, Florida. Don't miss it. I will be there. Registration actually opened up and is ready to start taking people, so registration. So it's going to be amazing. I'm going to be out there. I'll be taking the Silver Bullet out there. We're going to be taking my brother's 280ZX wide body. And I'm riding up there with a couple of my friends too that have some Datsuns and some Z cars as well. So don't miss that. If you guys want to meet the Silver Bullet in person, come on down and you can meet this big guy right here too. Alright, so that's all for today. I just wanted to follow up and tell you guys once again, Happy New Year's. Thank you so much for subscribing, following, liking all my videos, for getting involved in the comments. It makes a huge difference, and it makes all this possible. I couldn't do it without you guys. I'm so happy and super stoked about this. And this year, I'm going to go beyond. I'm going to try everything that I can to make this channel grow even more. Get more involved in the Z community. And we'll go from there. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. God bless. Happy New Year's.